हैं तो डाउन ट्रेंड में स्टॉक है। इनफैक्ट 11 नवंबर के बाद से आप देखें तो लग रहा है कि उसमें एक बड़ा फॉल था, थोड़ा सा ही कंटेन हो पाया था वो फॉल। उसके अलावा आप लगातार इसे एक डाउन ट्रेंड में देख रहे थे। विद सच अ न्यूज आपको क्या लगता है कि ऐसे में रिटेल इन्वेस्टर को किस तरह से रिएक्ट करना चाहिए? 10-15% अगर स्टॉक आज गिर जाता है तो क्या विल इट बी अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ऐड या फिर दूर रहना चाहिए?
Priyanka, first of all, let me congratulate the entire team of ET Now Swadesh, which has been giving lot of good information, especially to retail viewers. मेरे को RBL बैंक का 2 important points है। पहला है, you just see the top of RBL बैंक and closer to its all-time high, 700 rupees से ये स्टॉक अभी 170 levels, 170 का आसपास है। That means this stock has already corrected hugely from 700 rupees. Now it is 170 rupee. And my point is, why should you buy a bank like this when you have better banks to invest? If you want to buy private bank, look at ICICI Bank. Last quarter results were superb. And on top of it, from 840, it has corrected to levels closer to 720, 730. Why should I not buy an ICICI Bank or an HDFC Bank? And another important point, in fact, मेरे को स्टॉक मार्केट का भगवान है राकेश झुंझुनवाला सर और राधाकिशन दमानी सर, निमेश शाह. All these people are veterans. They are God. In fact, their experience in market is more than my age. But I want to tell one important point. These value investors are buying for long term. There was a news yesterday that they have approached RBI to buy the 10% stake. But do understand, retail people are not Rakesh Junjunwala and Radhakishan Damani to hold for a longer term. Second important point, if RBL Bank is correcting because of this news, and retail people are getting in, or some of them who already have this stock, they will now become long-term investors like what they are in Yes Bank. Whether it is RBL Bank, whether Yes Bank, or a lot of these type of stock have always destroyed wealth. So keep in mind that the time frame of Rakesh Junjunwala or Radhakishan Damani is different. And second most important point, the allocation of their portfolio in RBL Bank is very small. राकेश झुंझुनवाला का टोटल पोर्टफोलियो साइज क्या है, उस पर आरबीएल बैंक का इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या है, वो अलोकेशन बहुत कम है. रिटेल पीपल विल पुट ऑल देयर मनी इन स्टॉक्स लाइक यस बैंक एंड आरबीएल बैंक एंड दे विल डिस्ट्रॉय वेल्थ. सो मेरे को ईटी नाउ स्वदेश से ये कहना चाहता हूं, रिटेल पीपल को do avoid these type of stocks, get into good stocks like ICICI Bank or with something like HDFC Bank, and your time frame is different. They are long-term value investor and their allocation and your allocation is different. This has to be kept in mind.
रुद्रमूर्ति, अच्छा